In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use watch lists on Tradingview. Watch lists are an incredibly useful tool that can make tracking your favorite stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other assets much easier and more efficient. Instead of searching for the same symbols over and over again, you can create organized lists that keep everything you need in one place. Whether you're a beginner just getting started with Tradingview or a seasoned trader looking to optimize your workflow, this feature is sure to save you time and help you stay on top of your trading strategies. If you're new to Tradingview, you can find a registration link in the description below to create your free account and follow along. Let's dive right in. First, locate the watch list panel in the top right corner of your Tradingview screen. It's easy to spot. It looks like a column of symbols or a list icon. Click on it to open the panel. Now, once it's open, look toward the top of the panel and you'll see a plus button. Go ahead and click it to start adding symbols to your watch list. In the search bar that pops up, type in the symbol you want to add. For example, if you want to track Apple, type in AAPL, which is the ticker symbol for Apple. Once you see it in the list, select it. This simple step allows you to add the asset to your watch list, so you don't have to search for it repeatedly. You can continue adding as many symbols as you'd like to build a comprehensive watch list tailored to your needs. Now that you've started adding symbols, let's move on to organizing your watch lists. At the top of your watch list panel, you'll see the name of your current watch list. Next to it, there's a small drop-down arrow. Click on that arrow, and from the menu, select the option to add a section. This will let you create a new section within your watch list. Once you've added a new section, give it a name that makes sense for your trading strategy. For instance, you could name it Tech Stocks, Swing Trades, or High Volatility. Naming your sections helps keep everything organized and easy to navigate, especially if you're tracking a wide range of assets. With your sections set up, you can now drag and drop symbols between them to rearrange your watch list as needed. This flexibility is great because your trading strategies or interests may change over time, and being able to adjust your watchlist organization on the fly ensures it always works for you. Now, let's explore some additional options available in the watchlist panel. Open the same drop-down menu we just used, and you'll see several other tools you can use. For example, you can make a copy of your current watchlist if you want to duplicate it for a different strategy. Alternatively, you can rename your watchlist if you'd like to give it a more descriptive title. If you no longer need a particular watch list, you can clear the list entirely by selecting the Clear List option, which will remove all the symbols from it. And if you want to start fresh, you can create a brand new watch list from the same menu. Finally, if you've saved symbols in a file or another platform, you can import that list directly into Tradingview to save time. These options give you a lot of flexibility depending on how you prefer to manage your assets. Switching between multiple watch lists is just as simple. Any watch list you've created or imported will appear in this drop-down menu, so you can easily toggle between them with a single click. Next up, let's talk about setting alerts. Alerts are incredibly valuable because they notify you when specific conditions are met, so you don't have to constantly monitor the market. To set one up, click on the drop-down menu in your watch list panel and select Add Alert. From there, you'll be able to define the alert conditions. For example, you might set an alert for when a particular symbol reaches a certain price. This way, you'll always stay informed about key price movements, even if you're not actively watching your screen. Finally, let's take a look at viewing symbol details. In your watch list, you can click on any symbol to open a detailed information panel. This panel provides advanced data about the asset, such as its current price, key statistics, performance metrics, seasonality trends, and even technical indicators. Having all this information readily available allows you to make informed trading decisions without needing to leave your watch list. It's a real-time saver and a great way to stay focused on your strategy. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to use watchlists in Tradingview. By now, you should be able to add symbols, organize your lists, set alerts, and view detailed data like a pro. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.